Hello everyone, welcome to your final assignment for Chapter 10 and what will be your final homework assignment for this class. Woohoo! Welcome to the end. Alright, so here we are with the communicative practice on page 100, items in a series. So what you're going to do for this particular practice is you're going to read the different situations here and you're going to come up with a response. In your response, pay particular attention to the focus words, and especially the stressed syllable of each focus word. And then in items in a series, remember that after the strong syllable in the focus word, we have rising intonation, but then when we get to the last item, falling final intonation, right? The reason why, again, is because we're indicating that even though we're ending this thought group, we're not finished with the idea yet. When we want to indicate verbally that we intend to continue to talk, we indicate that in English with rising final intonation at the end of a thought group. And whenever we're finished, we have falling intonation. So, read each situation and then come up with a response. In your response, include the suggestions or the ideas that they have in italics. So for example, situation 1 is already done for you. Situation 1 says, you and your roommate want to take a short vacation, but these things need to be done before you leave town. Stock the mail, water the plants, ask the neighbor to feed the cat, take out the garbage, and finish cleaning out the refrigerator. So you're going to write a response to tell your roommate what 3 things you will do. So pick 3 things out of this list and indicate to your roommate that these are things that you're going to do before you take your vacation. So for example, I'll take out the garbage, ask Amy to feed the cat, and water the plants. Right? Focus word typically will come at the very end of the thought group. In this case, these are both nouns. And see, we have a rise in pitch here with the strong syllable in the focus word, and then it continues to rise, right? At the end of the thought group to indicate that the person's still speaking, and then that last item, you want to make sure you have falling intonation. I'll take out the garbage, ask Amy to feed the cat, and water the plants. Garbage, cat, plants. That's kind of the rhythm that we create in English in thought groups, as we looked at in the previous chapter, but certainly in terms of our final intonation with thought groups. So take a look at these other situations, 2, 3, and 4. Use the items here that are in italics to create your response and record yourself giving that response. And that is your last assignment for ESL 75 pronunciation conversation. Here comes the final exam. Here we are going to the finish line, everybody. Congratulations.